Clank, my boy. Yes. Oh, it's these things. I don't have a weapon on. That was a terrible idea. I'm actually going to die. Oh my god. We're seriously going to die. Oh, I did kill them. Amazing. Didn't think I did. Yes! Clank, grab hold. How the hell did you survive?
You belong to me now.
No one complaining. But how the hell did you survive?
Look at that! It's an old-fashioned glob lobber. They
What?
fire like globs of viscous paste. The Agorians used to use those to anchor their warships in low gravity.
Oh, so that's what I guess that blue thing over there's for. Glob lobber. That is a fantastic name. That truly is a fantastic name. Wow. That is fantastic. Whoa, not too sure how I change weapons, if I'm being perfectly honest. It said R1 and L1. Oh, I see, right. Yeah, I want to change. Yeah, I want to change, but it's not letting me. Wait, what did I do before? I'm so very confused. It won't let me change. How do I change? It's not clear enough. Oh, I have changed. Wait, what?
We make an excellent team.
Oh, it has changed. How did I do that? It didn't change a second ago, did it? Unless I really wasn't paying attention properly. Oh, I see! I see. I see. It's technically a weapon. It counts as a weapon. I get it.
I cannot be defeated.
I get it. It counts as a weapon, not a device. I see. I thought it counted as a weapon. At least I think that's how it works. Soon find out. Yep, it does. Wow, I don't know how I didn't notice that. Oh well, at least I know now. I can't help but notice. Oh, I thought we were going to die then. I was going to say, I can't help but notice we're going suspiciously low now. But, you know, it's all good. Okay, so that's always circle. Okay, right. Glob lobber is a weapon. It's a bizarre weapon, but it's a weapon. I don't know, was it? What is that?
I believe this situation calls for the vacuum. I am ready.
Oh crap! Meh.
Hey, over here!
Do it. Ah, I see.
This is
Clever. Wow, that thing looks derpy. I see. Clever puzzles are clever. I can't see. There's a giant search for Susie sign. I don't know if there's any critters.
There's her balloon, but no sign of Susie.
Oh yeah, that is
Susie.
the Zune. That is the balloon. What is this? Oh, this seems easy. Basic enemies. I can deal with this. Or I can kill you all. I'm gonna die very soon if I'm not careful. Problem is, I don't know how much health Clank has, so... Clank, please, the love of God, help me. Oh, that's easy, actually. That's very reliable. Thank you very much, Clank. That was cool. Bring it on. This time you simply die. Whee! Wow, so many skill points! Oh, excellent. I collected bolts. I collected stuff. I collected more stuff. It means bolts and stuff.
You can't hide from me, little squishy.
Hero bolt. Very easy hero bolt. But the hero bolt... I imagine there's one for, like, you know, collect all hero bolts or certain amount of hero bolts. Probably all. But nevertheless, there is probably one. Ah, that was stupid! Well, thanks, so glad you're here. That weapon is just bizarre. No word for it.
Apologies, fellow robots. You have given us no choice.
Ooh, vendor. No, it's not a vendor. It's a guy thing. Oh, I fell off. Whoops. Oh, I think I lose bolts whenever I die or fall off. Not that I care much. Is this that man? That weird man who get... No, guy. Whoops.
Butterfingers!
Oh! It costs those critters to get in this thing.
Welcome to Weapons Lab Alpha. Are you ready to begin?
I see. I see. Right.
No harm done.
Oh shit.
Let's try again. No harm done. Let's try again. This time with a bit.
I didn't realise I was supposed to keep doing it. Right. Oh, it's done. Okay, good. Ah. Thank you. Please, Clank. Over there now. Hurry! Well, that was fortunate. There we go. We got bolts for that.
You've just completed another trial, and without any loss of limbs.
Yay.
Bravo, volunteers. You have much to be proud of.
It is a rhino suit. Oh my god. No freaking way.
Hey, over here!
Oh my god. Me want. Me want. Okay, so those critters are definitely worth. I'm getting every fucking critter I can find.
I detect trouble ahead.
Hey look, there's another critter. Get it, get it, get it.
Folks more, and I'll have a new space station!
Oh right, I thought I had to pay for it. Right, it's just then as much as I find. I have a certain requirement. Okay. Well, I'm doing that. I'm doing that, I swear. That is... I want that rhino armor. Not only will it probably really help with the final boss, it is just looking awesome and sounds amazing, which I'm sure it is since it's Ratchet & Clank, and it's the rhino. You can't have a Ratchet & Clank game without the rhino. You just can't. So many skill points recently. Not that I'm complaining. It's all good.
Why are we out here looking for some pint-sized squishy?
Hero!
We should be looking for a way home.
Oh shit. This place is collapsing around me. Oh my god! Holy shit, that went badly wrong. Yeah, when you fall, you do lose bolts. All your bolts. All of them.
Took you long enough.
Well, I can't tell if those respawn.
I am your master.
I can't work out if that respawns or not. And by that I mean no, I want the critter.
Trust me.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't know if it keeps the critters you got. Are they critters or squishies? I don't care. I'm calling them squishies slash critters. They remind me of critters from Toy Story 2, which is why I'm calling them critters, but I don't know if they are or not, so. Also, what about the skill points? They must stay, surely. Surely they must stay. I don't know. Whee!
Susie, are you out here?
Probably not. Please die.
You are all here, Doctor.
We need to run. Now.
Do not forget to calculate trajectory.
Didn't. It was okay.
The minions! They're after my friends! Please, you have to help!
I could, but I won't. I guess I have to stand on this thing. The guessing is correct. I'm going to assume that I'm correct. It seems like I'm doing the right thing. I want that rhino armor now.
Over here! Help!
Yay, love that. It's just so awesome.
You are all here, Doctor.